Hello, my dear Vivekans. A very warm welcome to you all in today's EVS class. Dear students, you must have understood this chapter done till now. Hope you have done the home assignment also. Today, we will continue this chapter from page number 49. And the objective of today's lesson is to learn about some major sport events around the world, to generate awareness regarding sports as a career. So let's start with our today's topic, some major sports events around the world. Put today's date here and read it. There are some major sports events that bring all the sports persons around the world together. बहुत सारे मेजर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं जिनमें वर्ल्ड की अलग अलग कंट्री से स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स एक साथ इकट्ठे होते हैं. Here they participate and compete against each other and win medals for their countries. इन इवेंट्स में ये स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट compete करते हैं और अपनी कंट्री के लिए मेडल्स भी विन करते हैं. Some of such sports events are Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and so on. So these are the examples of some major sports events that are played around the world. They are Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and many more. Come to next page. Did you know? In 2016, Olympic game was held in Brazil. 2016 में Olympic game Brazil में held हुई थी. Brazil is a country in South America. About 117 Indian athletes participated in 15 sports. PV Sindhu won a silver medal in badminton and Sakshi Malik won a bronze medal in female wrestling. As you can see in the following pictures, PV Sindhu and Sakshi Malik are holding their silver and bronze medal respectively. And you can also see the winning smile on their faces. They both brought great respect and laurels to our country. PV Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. PV Sindhu ऐसी पहली इंडियन वुमेन है जिन्होंने ओलंपिक्स में सिल्वर मेडल विन किया है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे ही तो कोई नंबर 1 नहीं बन जाता. इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क. सो दीज स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनैलिटीज train themselves by working hard and become number 1 in their respective sports. Now it's debate time. Debate means general discussion about something expressing different opinions. ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें आप बहुत ही फॉर्मल वे में डिस्कस करते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के बारे में. तो आज का हमारा डिबेट टॉपिक क्या है? व्हाट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, स्टडीज़ और गेम्स? गिव योर रीजंस. आपको बताना है कि क्या ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, स्टडीज़ या फिर गेम्स, और साथ में आपको अपने रीजंस भी बताने हैं. यू कैन मेक पॉइंट्स इन योर नोटबुक्स. So after making points, you will be able to share your views on the importance of studies and games. And let me tell you that we should balance studies with games. Both are very important for us. So a balance needs to be maintained. Studies और games दोनों ही important हैं, तो हमें इनमें balance बनाकर रखना चाहिए. Now my dear students, here our chapter 4 ends with these important notes. We will read them so that it will help you to understand the chapter clearly. Now I am going to read them one by one for you. Let's remember. It is very important to take a break from work and have some leisure time. Playing games is a good source of recreation and enjoyment. Each game has a certain set of rules. The games that are played inside are called indoor games. Carom, Ludo and table tennis are indoor games. The games that are played outside are called outdoor games. Cricket, football and hockey are outdoor games. Games played in the past were different than games played nowadays. There are some famous sports personalities who won some major sports events around the world and make us feel proud. Now let's learn new words. Leisure activity. Activities to relax and have fun. Indoor games. Games that are played inside a room. Outdoor games. Games that are played outside the house. We care. Taking part in sports and games is as important as reading books and making homeworks. स्पोर्ट्स और गेम्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितना बुक्स को रीड करना और होमवर्क करना. नाउ बाय रीडिंग फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स वी विल कम टू नो द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स इन आवर लाइफ. स्पोर्ट्स इज अ फन. It helps us in our growth. It keeps us motivated as it involves a lot of physical and mental works. It helps in developing leadership quality and self-confidence. It also develops social skill and we interact with our friends in a better way. Win or loss keeps us motivated to take challenges in life. In conclusion of all these points, we can say that स्पोर्ट्स हमारी ग्रोथ और हमें हेल्दी रखने में हेल्प करते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स से हमारे अंदर लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और सोशल स्किल्स भी डेवलप होते हैं, जिससे कि हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बेटर वे में इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं. हार और जीत से हम हमेशा मोटिवेटेड रहते हैं ताकि हम अपनी लाइफ के चैलेंजेस को बीट कर सकें. व्हाट शुड वी लर्न फ्रॉम द विनर्स और लूजर्स ऑफ गेम्स? सो थिंक अबाउट इट कि किसी भी गेम के विनर्स और लूजर से हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए. लेट्स कनेक्ट. You have learnt about addition and multiplication in mathematics. Every sport or game generally has a scoring system. As the game progresses, the points are given or taken according to the way the teams are playing. The scores are constantly added and subtracted. Learn about your favorite sport and see how scoring is done in it. You can watch a live cricket match on television and keep a track of the score by adding runs. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप कोई अपना फेवरेट स्पोर्ट देखोगे तब आपको ये भी सीखना है कि उसमें स्कोर्स कैसे ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं. योर होम असाइनमेंट इज लेट्स ट्राई 6 फ्रॉम कोर्स बुक एंड माई टर्न 4 फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस बुक. डू योर वर्क नीटली. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.